How to cancel Showmax subscription. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to cancel your Showmax subscription. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, let's get logged in. Open up your web browser or app and go to the Showmax website or open the Showmax app on your phone or TV. You'll need to sign in with your account details, so go ahead and enter your email address and password. Once you're logged in, look for the My Account or Account Settings option. On the website, it's usually at the top right corner of the screen. If you're on the app, tap the menu icon and you should see Account Settings listed there. Next, click on Subscription or Manage Subscription. This is where you'll see all the details about your plan, including billing cycle, renewal dates, and payment methods. Now, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription or something similar. It might be a button at the bottom of the page. Click that and you'll be guided through a few confirmation steps. After clicking the cancel button, Showmax will ask you to confirm your decision. After you cancel, Showmax will send you a confirmation email, so make sure you check your inbox. And that's it. That's how you simply cancel your subscription in Showmax.